Hi guys, I know I've been gone for quite a long time, but that's another story for another day. But I'm going to show you how I made my closure wig, how I make my closure wig in this video. So firstly, what I do, I like to bleach the knot on the closure. By the way, this hair was sent to me by Alipearl on Aliexpress. I was sent two bundles of 20-inch, 22-inch, and a closure, 8 and 19-inch closure. And yeah, it's in a deep wave texture. So I'm just gonna bleach the knot on the closure first and then make the wig. This is how to make your wig look like your frontal, well, your closure wig look like your frontal wig basically. So next I'm just going to pin the wig on the wig cap so I can sew it on the wig cap. This is like an easy way to make your closure wig. So it's literally easy. I think I do have another video on how I make my closure wigs, but that was like for like maybe 2 years ago. But I wanted to, you know, revamp my channel with new things and stuff. So basically what you want to do, you want to take your thread and needle, of course, and just sew the closure onto the cap. Make sure you have clips so it can be easier for you, so you can clip the hair away from where you're sewing the hair. Sewing the closure onto the cap, obviously you want to take your scissors and cut the thread like I'm doing now. And with the closure, you want to take your bundles. Look at that texture, it's just so amazing, you know. This is one of my favorite curly hair texture ever, like I'm saying, ever. It's amazing. And yeah, you want to take your bundles and sew it horizontally like I'm doing right now. It's proper easy, anybody can do it. And yeah, just follow the video how I'm doing it. I do the fold over method. I hate cutting my my bundles. I hate doing that. I don't care. It just makes your hair shed even more. So I don't do that at all. you get to the top, you want to use the last strand to close off any gap. So basically you want to sew on a track between the closure and your tracks so that it can be invisible, it can hide all the tracks. So yeah. When you're done, you want to take your wig and cut out the excess part of the wig cap because you don't need it to be there really. So you want to cut it off, and I did spray my hair so it can be easier for me to pluck out the hair. Obviously, because you want to make it look like it's a joke, it's the frontal wig. So we're going to pluck out our hairline to make it look natural, and you know, make your baby hair if you want to. Don't have to, but if you want to, you can do. So when you spray water on your hair, it makes it so much easier to pluck out the hairline on the closure of frontal. So I would suggest if you want to pluck out your hair properly, just spray water on it and you're good to go. So guys, this is how the hair looks like wet. Oh, this texture is just amazing, especially springtime is coming. It's so gorgeous for springtime and summer. I'm gonna be wearing it a lot more. So when you're done, you want to wear your wig on your head, of course, and you can ask anybody to help you cut out this excess lace, or you can do it yourself. I do it myself because it's easier for me because I'm so used to it. But you can ask anybody to help you out. Just need to be careful, don't cut out your hairline. Yeah, that's how the hair looks like. I'm just going to spray more water on it because obviously it's deep wave and the curls pop when you spray a lot of water on it. That's what I do. Can you guys see how popping the curls looks here? Now I'm just going to cut out baby hair. Obviously you don't have to do baby hair. I mean, like, I like baby hair on curly hair, so that's why I'm doing it. But you don't have to do this step if you don't want to. But I just take my scissors and cut out some baby hair and use hair mousse or gel to, you know, slay the baby hair. Yeah guys, that's pretty much it. And yeah guys, I hope this was easy to follow and helpful. And yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video, which is pretty soon. This hair is popping. I'll leave all the information down below so you guys can check them out, including any discount code. If I have some, I will leave it down below, so make sure you check them out. Bye.